Grade 9 math is a difficult subject for many of our students because it's geometry block and it's very abstract for them. So I have some visual math shapes for them to look at. But these ones are special because they can come apart and they can show the nets. So when we're talking about total surface area and volume, we can take them apart and show them that a rectangle is actually made up of 4 rectangles and 2 squares. And for example, our triangular prism, when it comes apart, it also will have squares in it, which surprises them sometimes, and also the triangles. So we use these visuals to help them with our grade 9 geometry section. Our CST, which is our grade 10 math, one of the sections involves scatter plots, and you need to be able to box them in as close as you can with 90-degree angles. And many of our students haven't really used rulers before, and trying to make 90-degree angles is difficult for them. So these roller rulers, once you can line them up and draw your first line, you can, once you know where your angle is, you can just roll it forward so that your next line will be parallel. And then with those parallel lines, the roller rulers have little angles in there, so I can line them up and I can get an exact 90-degree angle where I need to have it.